In today's 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn how to make a donut chart. Step 1. Select the donut chart icon from the visualization pane, drag the icon to the report canvas. Step 2. Select country, then drag and drop country to Legends field. Select revenue, then drag and drop revenue to Values field. Step 3. Expand the visuals by clicking at the edge and then dragging it. Step 4. To add details to the donut chart, go to the Format Your Visual section, select Detail Labels, and from the drop-down select All Detail Labels. Step 5. Click on Values and then increase the font size, make the text bold, change the color to black. To format the chart, clicking on one section of the donut will highlight the country data. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel, The BI Nerd.